Welcome back, Pure Structured Traders, for another market recap for you guys for S&P 500. We're going to be going over some of the trades we took today on the combine. So again, if you guys do like the videos, make sure you guys smash that like button. And if you are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. If you're interested in learning how to trade or joining us in the trade room, make sure you guys check us out at Pure Structured Trading. We got a 5-day free trial going for you guys as well. And also, if you guys are interested in some of the levels that we are going to have up each and every US session and London session, make sure you guys check out the market analysis for the London session. Definitely good videos to watch and gauge where it should go long and short as well. But with that said, let's go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a recap. So S&P 500, we're up at a level of resistance off the open. The market ended up bouncing, pulling up here into this area, and we kind of struggled for a little bit. Market dipped down just a little bit all the way back here. You can see this pull back here where it dropped all the way down and then started to push right back to the upside. Now, in the morning, tried to get a short off the top, but ended up getting swallowed up, I think about 2 times, then tried a long and got swallowed up on that third attempt on the live account, and then got a couple of shorts and a couple of longs kind of right in between. It's a little bit more riskier, and then we got a nice long opportunity up to the top here, I think right around to the 14s. We're just kind of right in this mid area and just kept going and going. Gets all the way up into our level of resistance, 41.39, and then you can see S&P started to drop off from there. So a little bit harder in the morning as we tried to take some shorts a little bit lower than we should have. I was a little bit low here when I tried, and then it popped up against me, and then it started to go down. So a little bit rough in the beginning, but we ended up staying patient, staying disciplined, and getting some good opportunities on the long side as well. So we're going to be showing you guys some of the trades that we ended up taking on the combine account. So pulling this over for you guys so you guys can see. So we didn't really take too much, but we did get stopped out the first couple. So we had a long 40.98.25, and that got pushed back 40.90, got stopped out there. And then we had another long entry 40.97 for 2 lots, got stopped out 40.88.50, so that one got stopped out as well. Then we had another 2 lots here 40.90.75, and this is the one we got to run here on the combine and also on the regular account, which was a very good one that we had here for the long opportunity, putting us back to some positives. But that's pretty much all we had for this combine account today. It wasn't that much. Stayed disciplined. Off the regular account, we ended up shorting and getting stopped out for the first three trades. So wasn't the greatest open for us, but we ended up just, again, it's all about being able to control yourself and your emotions when you're trading, not to let that get out off the handles. And once you take your certain amount of trades, usually I have between 3 to 5 trades. If I were to lose my 4th one, then I probably would have ended it there. But we ended up getting a nice long opportunity in between, and also a nice long opportunity all the way back up. So this was a good one, very nice trade. Should have waited patiently for this support zone that we had. You can see this nice push down into the support zone and then a push right back up. We're actually looking for that to happen off S&P 500, but I ended up taking a lot of my trades right in between, which was not necessarily a good area because we tried at the top. You can see how this candle popped up. This is the one on the live account where it popped back up, and then it took me out, and then it started to move down from there. So once it did that, I was, assuming maybe we'll go up higher, but as I went long, that's when it started to stop me out. So it's okay, that happens in trading, but again, it's all about being disciplined and patient and waiting for your trade setups and just not over trading. That's what keeps you from blowing out accounts over and over again. But that pretty much wraps it up. Not too much for today, but again, still ended green, so pretty solid there. That's what we want to see, and didn't overtrade as well. So I would highly recommend, my advice to new traders, old traders, or anything in between, is make sure you guys don't trade so much, right? Anytime you go 8-10 plus trades, that's a little bit too much, to be very honest. I usually average between 3 to 5, maybe 7 at the most in my trading day, if I need to do that or if I find it necessary. But if you keep winning and winning and winning, then it makes sense for you to keep going until you get a loss. But I mean, if you're losing more than you're winning, you want to make sure that you you try not to over trade, right? So if you're trading anywhere from 8 to 10 plus trades, you want to cut that down. Maybe try to keep it between 3 to 5 and see how consistent you can be every single day, right? Stick close to that consistency. Focus on not the outcome of the trade, but the process of the trade, and continue that way. But that wraps it up, guys. I'm going to shoot this video so you guys can see. I'm going to let this play out, so hopefully you guys see and enjoy the video. If you guys do, again, smash that like button and subscribe with us. You guys take care.